Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to live chat with SHEIN. Alright, it is pretty easy to do, especially when you need help with something. Alright, so the first thing that you need to do here is to fire up your phone, open up a SHEIN app. If you're not using the app, just go ahead and open up the web version, which is shein.com. Now, once you are on the home page, you're going to want to go to the Me section right here at the bottom right. All right. Now, once you're in here, make sure that you are logged in. If not, SHEIN will automatically ask you to log in. Now, once logged in, as you can see here, my orders, more services, and here in more services section, you can see customer service. Just go ahead and tap on it. All right. And as you can see here, here is a self-service section. You can tap on urgent delivery, track. For example, track right here. It will open up another page that will lead you to your orders. And besides it will be the tracking details. All right. Now, below that, here is the FAQ. If you have questions that are answerable by the FAQ itself, just go ahead and look at these items right here. For example, here, can I cancel my order? Tap on it. All right. And the SHEIN FAQ will answer it for you. Generally, unpaid or unshipped orders can be canceled via My Orders. You're going to want to tap on this link right here and you'll be landed to the My Orders tab directly. Now, but please note that once the order has been shipped out, it can't be canceled anymore. And hope you can understand it. So going back to the topic, how to live chat with SHEIN. As you can see here, we are on the customer service area. Now, what we're going to do here is just scroll down until we see this button right here, which is customer service, or this one, which is blackened customer service. Go ahead and tap on it or click, and you will be landed to this page. As you can see here, at first you'll be greeted by a bot. Once you've typed a message right here and the bot cannot understand it, the live agent will support the bot and will chat with you. That's basically how you do it. All right. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.